Well, I just heard from Amber Lawley. I want to take this time to thank them for sponsoring our shows last week. They called to let me know that my subscribers bought a lot of their CBD lotion. I was really happy to hear that. As their way of saying thank you to my subscribers, they are now offering you this deal. For every 3 items you buy, the 3rd item will be free. That's right. So every time you buy 3 items, the 3rd item is free. Just use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and the 3rd item is free. One thing I've learned about this lotion, not only does it help with joint pain as well as muscle pain, but man, it makes your skin really smooth. So as an added bonus, not only does it help with joint and muscle pain, it also helps out with making your skin very smooth. An added bonus. So go on over there to Amber Lawley, and remember, for every 3 items you buy, the 3rd one is free when you use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y. Go check them out.
Welcome to Pimpy's Investment Chat, where we keep investment talk simple. And here's your host, Pimpy.
What is going on out there, peeps? All right, those are 2 nice little nuggets. That's for dang sure. So anyways, look, there's movement happening. There has been now for a couple days. And it's right around the time I was talking about before. Gold and silver, you got to have it. The more I research, the more I find out it's going to be impossible for you to survive this market crash unless you have gold and silver there to protect you. Stack up on some gold and silver. Right now is a nice time. Before we get started, hit the thumbs up button, because when you do, it helps us get past the algorithm that YouTube puts on us and keeps us from being shadow banned. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. The disclaimer here is I'm not a financial advisor, a lawyer, or an accountant. The information that I share with you, I do freely. It is of my own opinion. Hey folks, just a quick reminder that back in 2008 and 9, a lot of people lost all of their retirement savings and their 401ks and IRAs because they did not own gold and silver. Yeah, that's right. Gold and silver protects you from a market crash. So do yourself a favor, protect your retirement by purchasing gold and silver. You can go to moneymetals.com, reach out to them, and they will help you set yourself up to protect you and your family from having to start all over from scratch. If you're a first-time buyer and you spend more than $100, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and they will send along with your order a free ½ ounce of silver. So folks, do yourself a favor, head on over to moneymetals.com and protect you and your family from a market crash, as well as inflation. That's right, head on over to Money Metals when you want to buy gold and silver. Keep in mind, if you're a first-time buyer and you spend more than $100, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and you will get a free ½ ounce of silver. Hey, right now, a special offer for my audiences only. You have a chance to win 100 free American Silver Eagles. That's over $3,000 in value. And all you have to do is enter your email to win. That's it. That's right, there's no obligations to purchase. The link is down below in the description. So head on over there, enter to win. You have between now and December 31st of this year to enter. The only way you can for sure not win 100 silver American Eagles is by not entering at all. So do yourself a favor and enter your email so you have a chance to win. People keep asking me, where is the link, Pimpy? It's real simple. If you're at my page on YouTube and you're watching any of the videos, any of them, you see the video here and you scroll down, see my name right here? If you go here where it says show more and you click it, here's all the links to the things you have access to. If you want to enter into the competition to win 100 free medals, just click it right here and it'll take you to the website where you can sign up. If you want to buy and own physical gold and silver, just click this link right here and it'll take you to the Money Metals website. And if you're thinking about buying cryptocurrencies, just scroll on down and you see the word Coinbase. Click this and it'll take you over to the website that you can sign up for. So you can buy Shiba, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. For those of you looking for my address, there it is right here. As everyone is aware of an alternative website, the link is down below in the description. Over here, I post original content as well as other videos that have been banned from YouTube. It costs $3 a month to join for unlimited access, and all proceeds go to finding life's purpose. So come on over there and join us. Beware of scammers. That's right, people posing and pretending to be me. How you can tell us apart is real simple. If you post a comment and I respond, you will see a dark circle around my name. See this? It's either gray or black. I won't be sending you to WhatsApp, and I won't be sending you to Telegram or Telegraph or anything like that, nor would I be asking you for money. From time to time, I will be using material that's considered copywritten. I post this just to show that I am exercising my fair use rights. All right, so what is going on in the world of gold and silver? Let's take a quick peek at this because gold is up above the $1,800 mark. Silver getting close to that $23 mark. Both of them have steadily been on the climb for years. People just don't realize it because we pay attention to the immediate timeline, in the last few months. But if you look at it, and I'll show you in a little bit what I'm talking about. Look, Bitcoin is at 48,896. You got Ethereum at $3,999. Solana is at $180 and climbing a little bit. So I'm not sure what the heck is going on here with Solana because it looks like there's two of them, and I don't even know how that's possible. But you can see right here, we got one at $180.85 and one at $177.74. This, again, most likely is a glitch. And why it is, we have a hard time trusting anything that's reported to us. How can something like this happen? XRP is at 96 cents. There's a lot of talk, and I mean a lot of talk about XRP. Cardano's at $1.33, almost $1.34, we'll call it. Polkadot at $27.82. Dogecoin sitting over here at 17.5 cents. Again, here we go. We got two polka dots now. See this? Now what's going on? Shiba at 4035. It's been slowly but surely climbing up after it reached a high at one point and it was smashed down with, in my opinion, some interference by what I would call the crypto establishment. So if you look over here at the 52-week average, they're starting to get back up there to the halfway mark, past the halfway mark. You got Ethereum up there getting towards the high side. Binance is definitely there. Solana is getting there. Depending on which one you're looking at, it's either there or getting there. So it's just, I don't know what the heck is going on there. XRP finally making a move, but it's not even to the halfway mark yet. So again, I when you see these kind of glitches and crap like this, to me it looks like it's setting the stage for something bigger that's coming up. I was talking about this before when it came to gold, silver, as well as cryptos. There is a pattern. Anytime after the end of November to the end of December, you'll start to see both gold, silver, and cryptocurrencies climbing up. And it looks like that's what they're starting to do. Now, I'm not promising you they're going to jump way up there, but who knows? They look like they've been moving in a positive direction now for a little bit of time with very little fallback. So Satoma, it was really climbing. Right now we're at, what's that? 7.045. It was up there in the 7.05s again. And then all of a sudden, these people, what it is, I can tell you right now, a lot of people, once they get around to where they bought it at, they're dumping them. They have no faith in them. I think that's a mistake. I really do. So in the past hour, it's down 1.4%. The past 24 hours is down 7.4%. But over the last 7 days, it is up 14.9%. The last 14 days overall, the average is negative 13.3%. And over the last 30 days, it is negative 0.8%. I'm not giving up on Satoma. You can see here through CertTech. So they're sitting at 95% complete. It is almost done. The audit is right now. They're just going over the little fine tuning that needs to be done before it can be officially released. So sitting there at 95%. So let them do what they need to do. Get them fixed. Get her done. Get it out there. Once that happens, then we definitely know that Satoma is definitely going to take off. Metaverse coin. There's a lot of them in the green. Let's take a look. Biggest changes over the past 24 hours. You can see there's a nice handful of them sitting in the green. Again, the metaverse is probably the cryptos to keep an eye on, definitely in the future with everybody getting pulled into this whole metaverse thing. Veracity, man, that sucker dropped all the way down to, what is this, 3 cents? What a shame. Sandbox, so look at $5.20. It started to get back up near that $7 range, but it's definitely going to climb. So there's a nice little portion of them sitting in the green. That's really nice. You can see the ones that are biggest movers right now. The Seek one, that's up 46%. Vibe is up 26.77%. WeMix is up 19.31%. And this at Luxo is up 18.51%. So those are the biggest movers for the day. Overall, trade in the past 24 hours is up 16.45%. 1%. So looking good. Again, cryptos is slightly rebounding. I think most people are done with the Christmas shopping. So, hey, holidays are here. They either everything's done or it's not. And so people are starting to refocus on investments. This is what I was talking about. People are like, Pimpy, it's been crazy since it's run up in 2020. And yeah, I get that. But I mean, seriously, if you just look at the overall where it's going, you can see it's going up in a positive direction. We had a C cup formation here and got up to a much higher point. Right here is accumulation stage. But like we talked about, look, gold is going to keep going up. Silver's going to keep going up. You're not going to see them drop all the way back down here again. That's just not going to happen. As a matter of fact, you're going to see it go on a serious run. I've been saying that for the longest time, but every indicator out there points to that. If you haven't got gold and silver and gotten out of the system yet, you're going to be left behind. Seriously, left behind. So you can see here in 2008, 2009, when the markets were crashing, gold and silver took off, or I should say gold here took off. Hit a peak, came down just a little bit there, started to go back up, and started to gradually make cup formation. And this happened gradually over, seeing 2012 through about an 8-year period. But it didn't go down very much at all. Unlike silver, I told you silver is like a spastic kid on crack, all high on sugar. Look, it goes up rapidly and comes down just as rapidly. It's still making the same formation as silver is, but overall, from its high point at one time, it's just gradually going up here. You can see this. It's you call this accumulation stage, call it what you want, but it's, over the past years, it's been staying around the $23 mark, which is nice to see. But again, I want to make this comparison. Look, in 2000, what is this? 2008, when 2009, the market's crashing, silver takes off. Then you can look at gold around here, 2008, 2009, started to drop a little, and then it took off. But you can see how much slower it takes to get up here. Silver is already hitting its peak by April of 2011. And you can see that gold would continue to climb for a few more months. Came down a little, but maintained itself all the way up to about, what's this, September of 2012 before it even started to come down. By September of 2012, you can see that gold had come down a nice little bit itself. But this is what happens. This is what I'm talking about. Right now, the gold to silver ratio is 2 out of whack. I mean, look at this. Again, it's 80 ounces of silver for 1 ounce of gold. Remember I showed you that scenario where back when silver got all the way up here, some ridiculous out of whack. I mean, it was ridiculous. Like 100, I think it was 124 ounces to 1 ounce of gold. I said, this is that time when you swap your gold. I take like 10 ounces of gold, swap them for 1,240 ounces of silver. And then when the peak got down here, I said, look, and then you swap your silver back for gold, you end up gaining in a short period of time 8 ounces more of gold. It's starting to do that again. And when you start seeing this out of whack, this is not realistic. We know that gold and silver tend to get into a much closer ratio than this. We know silver outperforms gold when a crisis first starts to happen. You want to be all in silver. Once it gets up there to a nice little peak, then you want to start looking at swapping them back over for gold, because gold will maintain. It always maintains. All right, so gold and silver is where you want to be. It definitely want to be safe. There is a planned event that's getting ready to take place. If you guys just watch the video before I release this one, you'll see what I'm talking about. Just make sure you're in the right place, in the right position, just to protect yourself is all I'm saying. You definitely want to have gold and silver in your box of tricks, if you get my drift, to protect yourself. All right, you guys, that's it for now. You guys hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it, and I'll catch you later. I'm out.